One element to focus on is time through the quarter note triplets in measures 17 through 23. Try subdividing the beat into eighth note triplets with a metronome. I'll demonstrate. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Once you feel comfortable subdividing these eighth note triplets, we can transition back and forth between the eighth note triplets and subdivided quarter note triplets. Now what we're going to do is we're going to switch back and forth between putting the accent on every 3 eighth notes to every 2 eighth notes. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate this with the metronome. All right, once this is comfortable, we're going to go ahead and rigidly subdivide as we play the exercise. One thing to note, in measure 18 we do have a dotted quarter underneath a quarter note triplet, so make sure that you insert 3 eighth notes for this beat. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and subdivide and play for you. Let's see. Next, I'll go ahead and demonstrate measure 22. All right, once this is comfortable and you feel like it's becoming internalized, go ahead and rigidly perform the rhythm that's written in tempo with a metronome. Now you'll notice that B natural, I'm using my trigger to play. Okay, so if you have a trigger, go ahead and take advantage of it. In measure 22 to 23, go ahead and play the C in first position trigger and the B natural in a flat second position. Make sure you do adjust downward for that B natural so that it's in tune. All right, next it's important that we add in the lyricism that's marked in this part. And the reason is this part is moving to a transition, right? All right, so we've had a very martial, fanfare-ish sounding beginning, and what's happening is we're decrescendoing and we're becoming more lyrical, and the reason is we're moving into the softer, slower moderato section of the piece. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and perform the end of the first section for you with all of the dynamics, articulation markings, and lyricism that's written in. One more thing to notice, at the end in measure 24, I went ahead and played that B flat in either flat third or sharp fourth position. And the reason I did that is it's a little bit smoother to move from here to here than first position, regular first position B flat to G in fourth position. Okay, so if you have the trigger, go ahead and take advantage of this. One way that you can tune that flat third position is to go ahead and move between B flat in first position and the B flat and trigger flat third position. Okay? You can tune it like this. Okay? So once you become comfortable with where that position is, you can go ahead and play that lip slur. Alright, now that we've worked on the end of section 1, we're going to move on to the more lyrical section, section 2.